Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Did you think only black beans from a can tasted good? Try these. They are amazing, delicious, and prepared with only 3 ingredients other than the black beans. So here we start. First thing we do is we place the dry beans in water for 6 hours or overnight. Then we place them in the pot. Turn them around and see if you have enough water, and then add extra water to reach about an inch above the beans. Then some sprigs of cilantro, an onion, a red onion that is cut in 3 or 4, and a tablespoon of garlic. Ooh, this is it, and it is delicious. Cover the pot, cook for 20 minutes on medium pressure, and delicious black beans. Now you can add salt and pepper at the end, but try them first. They are so good, they need almost no salt. So place your beans on a plate. Now we're gonna add a tablespoon of yogurt. Make it beautiful with some herbs and just a pinch of cumin seeds, and enjoy. These are the most delicious black beans you'll ever try. You can even process them and make a black bean salsa or refried black beans. Black beans are an amazing food. They are legumes, they are high in protein, they are high in iron and many minerals as well as fiber. They're also very good for your digestion, and they're going to keep your blood sugar level. So enjoy delicious black beans anytime. They can be made super easy. With Chef Pachi, sustainable diets are delicious diets. Check out the full recipe on YouTube. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.